So we're here at Helmsdale, we've just arrived, set up the tent and that. There's an old geezer over there who's starting his first time panning, he doesn't care what he's doing. And there's old Helga along there, God knows where she's from. And then there's Danny down the river, can't wait. We've not even had a coffee yet. He's already in there scoping out his spot. So we made it! We made it! Now what we need to do is find the gold.
We'll find you some gold, we'll be back.
We'll definitely find the gold. Highland Gold Fever in Baile. It's an absolute beautiful day. We couldn't ask for a better day. There's enough wind to keep the midges at bay. So we made it to the top of the waterfall. I think this is what they call the swimming pond. Up here you can come, it's about 6 foot deep. Be good to jump for here. Be good fun. Anybody want to come up and have a jump off the cliff? I'd be careful though. And then the waterfall's there. Another one down there I think. But it's beautiful up here, it's been absolutely beautiful, beautiful weather. The gold hasn't been brilliant. But there's Danny, there's Danny up there. And we just went for a wee walk. So it's a beautiful day, beautiful river. We're going to go back for something to eat and pan a bit down at our camp. But I'll get back to you. Is that Jaggy walking up there with a t-shirt? So we walked up to the waterfall in Helmsdale, Baile. It's absolutely beautiful, like. What a bedrock there. So I'm contemplating having a swim. I'll get back to you, I'm going to do a bit of panning. Hello everyone, welcome back. Me and Scotty have spent the night getting eaten by midges. We had to retire to our tents quite early.
because there's no midge net on our awning. So there you go. We're committed to getting some good gold. We're even getting eaten by midges and just staying here. It's due to rain for the next 4 hours, but we're still committed to getting this gold. We're going to go and find some nice gold. Found a wee bit yesterday, only did a couple of hours, enough to get us back in the river to find some more gold. We'll get back to you soon, and hopefully we'll have plenty of gold in the pans to show you. Speak to you soon. Hello everyone, Baile in Helmsdale with Scotty, just on our last day, right at the campsite. You might be able to see the back of my van up there. Just picked a spot on the inside of the river here, and we're just gonna dig a big deep hole and see what we get.
Been advised to just dig a deep hole.
We've been advised to go deep. There's a lot of deep holes on this river. Not quite used to that deep, but to dig in that deep. But we'll give it a go today, and we're going to try and get a big hole going and see how deep we can get it. See what gold we're going to get out of it, and we'll get back to you. Cheers for now. First little flake and a few more little crumbs.
Okay, man.
Scott's jealous. We're about 5 pans in each, maybe 6. Hole's getting deeper and deeper, and we're getting better gold. There's a fellow panner upstream. He's given us a bit of good advice, and we're just going to crack on and keep going deeper, and we'll show you what we get. Get back to you soon. Alright, hello everyone. We're roughly about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Not quite sure. The time flies by when you're panning. You can get in the river, start panning, next thing you know it's time to go home, and you just get carried away. Just wanted to show you, this is the hole that we've started digging at the start of the day. It was just like any normal bit of river that you see about, and I'll just show you the hole that we've dug. This is what you've got to do at Baile to get the gold. But just make sure that you fill in your big holes when you're finished. I'll show you. Here we go. There you go everyone, that is the size of the hole at the minute. We're going to try and make it even bigger. It's a bit difficult to get the big boulders off the bottom, but we're going to give it a good go, and we're going to get even deeper. And we'll get back to you and we'll show you the gold that we're getting. Cheers for now.
So here we are in Baile on our last few hours. It's been really beautiful here, and Danny's basically just knee deep in the hole we've been digging. We're coming forward towards the river because we've been getting a bit more gold coming this way, but we're going to keep going for the next few hours and hopefully get a nugget at the bottom. There's
You never know what you're going to get.
The guy up there looks like he's actually winching boulders at the hole. So I don't know how much luck we'll have because we've not got a winch. We've only got Danny.
Don't need a winch with me.
But we'll get back to you. We're still down by the river at this hole here. We're about 3 foot down. That's what I just got. Some nice bits in there. That's just keeping on going down. We're putting boulders around it to hold the stuff back. But we're keeping on going. Danny got about the same there. So the deeper we go, the better. We'll get back to you with more.